Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today's video it's an unboxing. Guys, okay?
Yes. We're back guys.
We're showing that we are really back guys. Okay. It's been a long time since we've done an unboxing guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, okay, let's just get to it.
Don't waste time.
Yeah, because we also want to see what's inside inside here, guys. Okay. Okay, let me just put it one side.
Yes.
There, guys. Okay.
No sneak peek.
Our first unboxing for this
2021.
year. Hey, we are delayed.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, we are delayed. It's things, guys. Unexpected things, but
that's life.
It's life. Yeah, we're back now. Okay, let's just open it, guys.
Yeah.
Let's see the surprise.
2021 first unboxing.
Yes, our first unboxing for 2021. Okay. Alright, let's just see, guys.
Still have a long way to go.
Yeah, we still have a long way to go, guys. Okay, let's just see what do we have here. Okay.
I see the queen's head already.
The queen's all over, all over. The queen is all over.
Yes.
Dominating.
Yes.
Okay, let's just forget this side. Let's start this side. Wow.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys. It's Australian kookaburra, guys.
Yes, the
preview.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, guys. We're very excited.
The panda there.
Yes, the panda there. There is a panda there sneaking up. I don't know what it wants to do to the kookaburra's head. Only the two knows. Okay. Alright, guys. 2019.
2019. Yes, 2019.
Yeah, I think it's a 2019 kookaburra. Yeah, a little bit rusty. Yeah, it shows a little bit rusty. Okay, 2019 kookaburra, guys. Okay, silver 49 is fine. Australian preview, guys. Kookaburra, guys.
Okay. The panda.
Yeah, with the panda. The panda makes it a preview, guys. Right there. Okay, very nice, very beautiful nice coin. It is really beautiful. We're really excited that we found
always, kookaburras have got a nice design.
Yes, they do have very nice design, guys. They're exciting to see all the time, and especially when they change the design. It's really exciting, guys. Okay, I'll just put it there.
Yes. Okay. Next one.
Let's see the next one. What do we have here?
For the queen also.
It's another queen.
Oh.
It's another queen. Let's just see this side.
Oh.
Okay. Right.
There. Beautiful.
We wanted this coin last year, but we couldn't get our hands on it, guys. Okay. It's a 39 it's a 39 guys.
2020.
Yes, it's a 2020 39 is fine. Very beautiful coin, guys. Okay.
Amzor coin.
Yes, guys. Okay. All right. Queen at the back, guys. As always, guys. She's there on all her coins, guys. Okay, she's there.
Beautiful.
I remember seeing this coin in one of the videos, guys.
I think it was Nosy.
Yeah, it was Nosy Stack, guys. Little one, the little one, guys. She's doing great, guys. She's very entertaining, guys. Nosy Stacker, guys. Okay, you will see noses all over the show, all over the video, guys. Then you will know you're at the right place. If you haven't seen the noses all over the video, I think look again. Maybe you won't be at the right place, guys. Nosy, guys. We'll leave a link to a channel, guys.
Very cute,
young, energetic, guys. She's very energetic, little one, guys. Okay, we really love her videos, guys, and how she displays and how she presents her videos, guys. Beautiful. That's where we saw this coin from her, guys. Beautiful coin, and we said no, we must get our hands on one of them, guys.
I think he also got a gold also
on this one. Yeah, I think so. She's stepping the ladder. Hey, she's going places, guys. Okay. beautiful channel, guys. Just go see it, guys. Watch it, guys. Okay.
Yes.
All right. These are just the 2 coins that we've purchased this year. Okay. All right. Just put it there, guys. Okay.
Beautiful.
And let's not forget, guys, that the giveaway
still on.
It's still on, guys.
Yes.
The giveaway is still on. Okay. This is just to leave a like,
subscribe, and
leave
comment.
a comment, guys, for this one, guys.
Gonna leave the link of that video that you need to subscribe and leave a comment on it.
Yes, that video that you need to subscribe to, guys, in order to be entered into this one, guys. Okay. We're just on 154 for now, guys. Okay. Halfway there, getting there. All right. At the time of the video, we are on 154. Okay, just leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this one, guys, to be entered into a draw. We'll leave a link to that video, guys. You get a chance to be entered into a Britannia, guys. And there is another one, ASE, guys.
For shout out video.
For a shout out video, guys. Oh, this one flips. Okay, all right. No, a bit rusty, little bit rusty. We'll bounce back. Okay, all right. For a shout out video, guys, you get the ASE, guys, along with this commemorative, guys,
South African.
From South African, guys. Okay, along with this, guys, we for this one, in order to be entered to this one, it's a shout out video, guys. And make sure that you send a link on the comment, guys, of that video. That's we're gonna leave a link on the description below, guys. Then you put a link so we get to see your video. Okay, guys. Okay. I think today's video was just about that. Okay.
Yes.
We'd like to thank our subscribers, guys, and those that have subscribed.
Yes, they help us a lot.
Thank you a lot, guys. Without you, we wouldn't be this far. Okay, all right,
and the
guys.
shout out videos and mail stickers there.
They are there at the corners, guys. As you've seen, guys, how excited we were, guys, when we unboxed these ones. We're very excited and very happy, guys. Okay. Full of coins there, a lot of coins there. Yeah, Canada, wow. Hey, a lot. Yeah, this video can go to 50 hours, guys, if I can try and go through all those
one by
one. Okay, we're really excited, guys, with that one, guys. All right.
We're gonna see more.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Okay.
Thank
all right.
you.
Thank you, guys.